Welcome. So today we're going to talk about Java, that absolute giant in the programming world. The thing is, with so many new flashy languages popping up all the time, you got to wonder, how does this old school veteran still stay at the top of its game? Let's unpack it.
Okay, let's just jump right in and tackle the big question head on. Seriously, with all the new kids on the block, is a language that's been around for decades actually still relevant? It's a fair question, and to answer it, we're going to look at the hard data and the tech that makes it tick.
So to figure this out, first things first, we need to see where Java actually stands today, right now, in the super competitive world of programming. And the data? Well, it's pretty darn clear. You look at any of the big industry rankings, and you see the same story year after year. Yeah, Python and JavaScript are huge, no doubt. But look, Java is always, and I mean always, right there in the top 5. This isn't some flash in the pan. This is staying power.
Okay, but being popular is one thing. It tells you what's happening, but it doesn't tell you why. So let's dig deeper than the charts and find out what really gives Java this incredible, long-lasting appeal.
And the answer, well, it's pretty much all around us. It's humming away behind the scenes, powering the most important systems we use every single day.
I mean, just think about it. The massive systems that run our banks, the huge e-commerce sites like Amazon. What about the recommendation engine on Netflix? And yeah, the Android operating system that's on billions of phones. Java is the backbone for all of that. It's the quiet, super reliable workhorse of the digital world.
Which of course leads to the next big question. How on earth can just one language be so good at so many different things? Well, the secret is this absolutely brilliant piece of technology that's right at the heart of Java.
Let's talk about the magic ingredient. It's called the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine. The easiest way to think about it is like a universal translator. It's this clever program that sits on any computer, Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it, and lets the exact same Java code run perfectly, no changes needed.
And that brings us to this simple phrase, which is basically Java's mission statement. Write once, run anywhere. I mean, back when this came out, it was a totally revolutionary idea. And the JVM is what makes that powerful promise a reality.
And here's the genius of how it works. Step 1. You, the developer, you just write your code one time. That's it. Step 2. That code gets compiled into a special universal format called bytecode. And finally, Step 3. The JVM on any machine, your laptop, a giant server, whatever, can understand and run that exact same bytecode. It's the key to everything.
And get this, the JVM is so good, so powerful, and fast, that other, much newer languages like Kotlin and Scala were actually designed to run on top of it. They didn't try to replace it. So when you're learning Java, you're not just learning a language, you're really learning an entire technology platform.
All right, so the JVM is a massive piece of the puzzle, but it's not the whole story. The way Java itself is designed plays a huge role in its success, especially in the professional world.
Okay, let's just go ahead and address the elephant in the room. If you're new to coding, you've probably seen this. To print Hello World, Python takes one simple line. In Java, well, you've got all this public class main stuff. It seems like a lot more work, right?
So that makes you wonder, is all that extra typing a bad thing? Or is there a really, really good reason for it? Is it actually a hidden strength? And the answer is, it's a huge strength. That extra structure forces the code to be incredibly clear and predictable. Now imagine you're on a team of hundreds of developers working on a banking app with millions of lines of code. Suddenly, that strict readability isn't just nice to have, it is absolutely essential to keeping things from breaking.
And this focus on being stable and built to last has been in Java's DNA since day one, way back in 1995. When Oracle bought them, a lot of people got worried the language would get stale. But actually, the exact opposite happened. Now, Java gets meaningful, modern updates every 6 months, keeping it fresh and powerful.
So, we've talked about giant companies and massive systems, but let's bring this all back to you. What does all this mean for someone who's just starting their journey in programming? Well, learning Java forces you to really understand the deep concepts of how software works. It gives you this rock-solid foundation that makes picking up other languages so much easier. Plus, companies and interviewers know this. They respect developers who know Java because it proves you have a solid grasp of how to build things the right way, things that are built to last. So here's the bottom line. Learning Java isn't just about learning the rules of one language. It's like getting a key that unlocks an entire world, a massive ecosystem of tools, jobs, and opportunities that has been growing for decades.
And really, that's the case for Java. It's not just a language, it's a foundation. It's proven, it's powerful, and it's reliable. So the only real question left is, are you ready to build your future on top of it?